As an aviation technician, having the right equipment for your job is everything. You need the right tools organized the right way, all at a great value. With Sonic Tools, that's exactly what you get and more. We're committed to providing world-class tools and storage designed specifically for the aviation industry, and that's something no one else is committed to offering. Whether you're just starting out, are a seasoned technician, or even running your own business, our solutions offer the tools you need, organized in the most effective and natural way possible. With CNC-machined foam shadowing, you'll be able to make sure every tool is accounted for and exactly where it should be when you need it. And with a lifetime warranty and 24-hour online tool exchange, Sonic guarantees that any broken tool is replaced quickly. We're changing the aviation industry to help technicians like you work smarter and create ultimate tool control. Sonic Tools, professional technicians.